With thick padding on the back of the harness and straps, and the ability to adjust the straps and chest fastener, this vacuum provides a snug fit for the user, making it the ultimate in comfort and wearability. The clear dome lid makes it easy to see when it's time to empty, and the adjustable hose can easily be switched for left or right-handed use. Once you have it on the best side for you, push the hose inlet down until you hear it click into place. The reusable SMS dust bag is easy to clean and made with quality material, ensuring high levels of filtration. For the fourth level of filtration, we recommend using the disposable sealed paper dust bag, which guarantees dust and bacteria are disposed of with minimal exposure to the user. This will also improve the longevity of the reusable dust bag and maintain the performance of the machine for longer. The HEPA filter ensures allergens and fine dust particles are contained within your vacuum cleaner and the air dispersed is clean. The commercial-grade 250-watt brushless motor provides superior power, resulting in enhanced performance and longer motor life. The rechargeable lithium-ion battery utilizes an advanced technology to provide more power, longer runtime, and faster charging, improving overall performance and durability. This vacuum is supplied with up to 50 minutes runtime per set of 2 batteries to keep you cleaning longer. The hose assembly comes complete with a commercial-grade, lightweight plastic bent handpiece and a screw-fit machine end connector. Constructed from durable materials, this hose allows for convenient reach. Made from aluminium, this telescope wand is ultra-light and easy to use, allowing the user to extend and retract to suit different cleaning tasks and get into those hard-to-reach areas. The wand holder clip is a great feature that secures the wand to the machine, providing the user with the ability to store the wand during their cleaning task, as well as if they are moving from one place to another, making it easier to carry. It also provides a great solution for the safe storage of your wand when you have completed your tasks. Ideal for use on both hard floors and low-pile carpeted surfaces, you can conveniently switch between settings to either raise or lower the nylon brushes as required. The lightweight construction allows for easy maneuvering and access around obstacles for a thorough clean. The dusting brush is ideal for lifting dust and dirt from soft and hard floor surfaces. It can also be used as an accessory for cleaning areas such as window blinds, lampshades, and textured surfaces. The crevice tool is slender-shaped with an angled tip, allowing thorough cleaning of areas such as skirting boards, door trims, windows, and window ledges. The wand accessory tool holder clips onto the wand, allowing the user to conveniently carry 3 tools for easy access.